Good night. My name is Daniela Díaz Quesada. The article is about me. The article is Be Green. We must take care of the planet. The article name is Ecologic Actions for a Sustainable Future. The article takes about the degradation of chemical substances. There are numerous ecological actions we can take to reduce the harmful effects on the environment and build a more sustainable future. Thank you, teacher.